Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. Currently 4:10 p.m. April 1st, 2021. I could say I made $10,000 today. April Fools. That's a terrible joke. Anyway, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yes, it was kind of a foolish kind of day. Not in the trading aspect, but just overall. It's like snowing where I am today. It was 70 degrees on Tuesday, and now it's snowing. Anyway, markets were up. Markets gapped up. Maybe the news from yesterday, maybe end of the weekend, 3-day weekend coming up. They decided to ride the SPY up. Actually, the first opening just got choppy right away. Just 5-minute chop candles. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This first half hour, then we finally made a leg up, chopped around, and then kind of just hung around a certain area here. And then at the end of the day, we got the market on close to the north side, which caused a couple stocks to move up and whatnot. You know, stocks like Tesla had its move yesterday and the day before, and it kind of peeled back today. Disney was kind of making moves today, but I couldn't really find a way in. You know, I just didn't like it that much to find my way into Disney. It wasn't really in play. I was trying to think, AMAT. So a lot of talk about semiconductors and things like that. This thing was just one of the ones I really wanted to find my way into. You know, a little bit spreadier, but I had a feeling like on a good pullback, I don't know where it would be. They would make a nice move up because there's a lot of attention on AMAT right now, just based on, look at this daily, just really nice versus everything that's been happening in the NASDAQ. AMAT's been one of the ones that's been really hanging tough. So anyway, let me get into what I did trade. No big losers today. I kept it tight again. Did not go heavy on anything. Tried to get in a stupid trade here on this FNKO, which was that NFT action getting back in play. XPEV, usual. Fake out through the high here, go 39. Took a little loss on that. The LFMD was a failed news for me. I was just really slow on it on this move here. Actually, I was in green, and this is the one news trade today that I took with 200 shares. Got a late fill, and then I thought I was going to pop through 18, so I held it, and I was looking for the move through 18, and it didn't get through, and I took a small loss on it. ACY, I thought, you know, the best chance was here at 6. Just a clean trade right here. I said to myself, okay, first time through 6, because it's 142 million traded. Their algos are going to be all over this thing. I thought I was going to go through 6, maybe 610, flush you down, and then I was going to take it, but no, it didn't. Except for this candle here, it did flush down to 582, and it made it all the way up to 1581. So pretty intense. All this chop here was, okay, we'll start with JMI. So news was the reason why I did well today. Finished 224 up. News event on JMIA, news event on GRNQ, which I did not take advantage of. It was a cheapie, and I got in around like 285 maybe, and then I saw 3 show up, and then it did make a high of 318. But I traded this with only 300 shares. It was nothing big. For a $3 stock, so that wasn't really going to get me much anyway. PDD, I tried to find my way into it early, but then it kind of rolled over hard throughout the rest of the day. I tried getting in on when these moves up, but just couldn't make it happen. VVPR was a quick in and out on the inflection point of I think it was 17 or 11 here. Took a break 11 here, just got in, got out. Took my shares because I knew this thing wasn't going to run. It's just one of those stocks that's pretty thin. QS was early too. I took an early trade on QS back through 52. I thought I'd get a bigger move, and I did not. QS is, acting like QS has been acting since the beginning of the year or end of last year, or actually January, really, like right here, or late December. Ever since then, it's been. I used to love QS. Now I hate it. So here are the 2 news trades. We'll go with WKEY first. The daily, what do you call it? press release on WKEY. Seems like they do it every day. I got a nice fill. Actually got in. Unfortunately, Tradestation was stuck. I was only with 100 shares. Fortunately, unfortunately, 100 shares, then halted. Then I took some shares off in the late 15s, and I got like $102 on 100 shares. So it was a really nice trade on WKEY. And the funny thing is, in the last 3 or 4 news trades on WKEY, I've been trading with 300 shares, and I've not made this much on that. So imagine if I was in for 300 shares today, I would have had at least $300 on that trade for sure. So that was a solid little move. Caterpillar announced they were increasing prices or something like that, and we got this move here, 100 shares. It's a $230 stock. I knew it was going to get whipped around. My hotkeys are for 100 and 300. I would have liked 200 on this one. I think I might adjust my hotkeys to add a 200 and get rid of one of my other hotkeys because I'm not really using it that much. And I think I need a 1, 2, and 3 versus a 1, 3, and 5. I think a 1, 2, 3, 5 would probably be my best bet for a quick market in order on a news play. But Caterpillar was sweet. Just kind of ran up. I kind of gave up too much too fast. I mean, I got $71 on it, but my orders were at like the 32. My orders were like here, and it ran up to 35. So I didn't take advantage of the full move at all. I should have. I'm still learning news. I mean, it's going on like 2 months now. I'm definitely very green on news trades. I've made a couple mistakes, but I still don't want to go in heavy on a stock or on a news play and get flushed down because it will happen to me, and I just don't want to be in heavy right now for that. So I'd rather be, trading news trades with smaller size, get a nice gain, $50 to $100, which is decent on a news play. Quick hit. We're talking like less than a minute. Obviously, the WKEY was much more because it halted, but I'll take what I can get. Anyway, 224 on the day. Pretty good week considering this market was chop city. I will take it. Go into a long weekend. We have Friday off. Remember that. And we'll be back on Monday. So if you have any questions, I don't know if I'll do a video over the weekend. I haven't decided yet. And let me know if you have any questions. Comment below. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Share the video. And all that good stuff. So have a great weekend all. And I will talk to you soon.